In last lecture, we have studied about IEEE single precision format. In this lecture, we'll study IEEE double precision format. Double precision format is having total 64 bits. In that, sign bit is having 1 bit, exponent is having 11 bits, and mantissa or fraction is having remaining 52 bits. Let's see how to represent IEEE double precision format. In double precision format, first 52 bits from 0 to 51 bits are represent the mantissa. It is of total 52 bits. From 52 to 62 bit represent the 11 bit exponent, and the last bit MSB, that is 63rd bit, will be sign bit. Here the sign bit is used to indicate whether the given number is positive or negative. If S is 0, indicates number is positive. If S is 1, indicates number is negative. In double precision format, the exponent E is in excess 1023 form. E is in excess 1023 form. That is, E minus 1023 will have a range from minus 1023 to 1022. If E value is 0, the maximum negative number is 102F. If E value is all ones, that is the maximum number, its decimal equivalent is 2048. If you subtract 1023 from 2048, it gives 1024. Here also mantissa or fraction is positive binary. Double precision increases the dynamic range. In double precision format, any number is represented as x is equal to minus 1 power s multiplied with 1 dot f multiplied with 2 power e minus 1023. Let us take one example. Convert the following number in IEEE double precision format to the decimal format. The given number is this, which is in double precision format. Here the first bit is sign bit, therefore sign bit is equal to 0. It indicates the number is positive. In double precision format, we will be having 11 bit of exponent, therefore here exponent E is equal to 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, and remaining 52 bits are mantissa. So here the given exponent is in binary. Converting this into decimal will get 2 power 9, which is equal to 512. Similarly, 1 dot f can be represented as 1 dot the remaining mantissa, that is 110, followed by all zeros. Total length of this is supposed to be 52 bits. Converting this number into decimal gives 1 into 2 power 0 plus 1 into 2 power minus 1 plus 1 into 2 power minus 2 plus 0 into 2 power minus 3 plus remaining all values are zeros. Simplifying this, we'll get 1 plus 2 power minus 1 plus 2 power minus 2. Simplifying this, we'll get 1.75. Now let us represent in X format, which is given here. Therefore, the given number in decimal can be represented as X is equal to minus 1 power S, here S is 0, multiplied with 1 dot F is nothing but 1.05 into 2 power exponent. Exponent value is 512 minus 1023, which gives X is equal to minus 1 power 0 is nothing but 1. It gives 1.75 into 2 power minus 511, or I can write it as 2.6104 into 2 power minus 154. In double precision format, the value X represented by the word can be determined based on the following rules. That is, if exponent is equal to 2047, that is when the exponent value is all 11 bits are 1, then we'll get 2047, and F value, that is fraction, is non-zero, then we can say that X is not a number. Similarly, if exponent is 2047 and mantissa is equal to 0, and suppose the sign bit is 1, then the number X will be minus infinity. Next rule, if exponent is 2047, F is equal to 0, that is float mantissa is 0, and if the sign bit is positive, that is 0, then X value will be plus infinity. If exponent value is 0 and F value is also 0, sign bit is 1, then the decimal value X will be minus 0. Similarly, if exponent is 0, F is also equal to 0, and the sign bit is positive, that is 0, then X value will be equal to, thank you.